everyone. Chris Halverson here, inviting you to something new I'm doing. It's a series of writing workshops designed to help you get started writing stories about your family. Maybe you've been handed some family artifacts that have a fascinating story behind it, or you've been handed some genealogical research and don't know what to do with it, or you've collected your own and it's just research sitting in boxes. I'm here to help you turn that research, those artifacts, that history into some fascinating stories that you can share with others. So we'll do that in a series of 3 workshops starting January 8th, 10 a.m. to noon, January 8th, and the following 2 Saturdays at the beautiful, brand new Peterborough Town Library. Nothing to be concerned about. This is low stress, low pressure, just designed to get your creative juices flowing. So if you've got an artifact, like this piece of sheet music behind me that has a story behind it, come and learn how to tell it in my workshops. Click through on the links in this email. If you have questions, feel free to call me. My phone number is in this email, and so is my email address. Hope to see you in January, starting January 8th.